What's up guys, it's your boy Falcon back again, and today I'm going to show you how to use a fuel pressure tester to test the fuel pressure on your vehicle. So if you need to do this in your vehicle, stay tuned. Let me start off by saying that I'm showing you on a 2003, I believe, Lincoln Navigator. Procedures are pretty much the same for every vehicle, but the specs and everything else and the fuel pressure tester is going to be located in different places in different vehicles. So I'm just going to show you how to connect the gauge, and then you can look at the specs on your vehicle and see if your fuel pump or your fuel pressure is okay on your vehicle. So here we have the port on the passenger side. You can see it has a little cap. So all we got to do is remove that little cap and connect that fuel pressure tester right here. Fuel pressure tester gets connected right into that port. The only difference is that some vehicles might require a different adapter. This is the fuel pressure gauge right here. The fuel pressure gauge, for example, this one has a little release valve here, so you can release the pressure on the fuel. On this particular vehicle, this is the fuel line here. We have the fuel line that goes all the way around. We have 4 cylinders here and 4 cylinders here. The other side is over here. But on this vehicle, on this Navigator, on the passenger side, we have the port. It's also this cheaper gauge kit. This is from US General or Harbor Freight. So this one was like 20-30 bucks. So basically all you want to do is connect it there, and then we look at our gauge. Right now it is completely off, so whenever we turn on the vehicle, the vehicle pressure on this vehicle should be somewhere around 30-32, plus or minus 5 should be fine. And also we should maintain fuel pressure whenever we're done. We turn off the vehicle. We can see if the fuel pump is leaving enough pressure on the line for the next startup, and that's what we're gonna check on for right now. Here we have a start test. Took a little bit longer than I expected. Whenever you turn off the vehicle, when you turn off the vehicle, it shouldn't drop any pressure. And sometimes it takes about an hour to maybe drop 10 psi. So there it goes. There's also a fuel pressure regulator, but on this vehicle it's a little bit harder for me to film it, me testing it. But all I wanted to check is why it's losing fuel pressure whenever we turn off the vehicle and it's a bad fuel pump. Alright guys, so I just wanted to make this quick video to kind of show you guys. So as always, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.